Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to increase vertical jump. First thing first, know where you're starting. Stand next to a tall wall with a sticky note or chalk in hand. Jump as high as you can and mark the highest point your fingers can reach. Measure from your standing reach to the mark. This is your vertical. Track your progress every 1 to 2 weeks to stay motivated and see results. Secondly, use a jump rope regularly. Strengthens calves, ankles, and arches. Mimics the quick, reactive bounce needed in volleyball and improves cardiovascular endurance, agility, and rhyme. Thirdly, add plyometrics to your weekly routine. Plyometrics are explosive jumping movements designed to train your fast-twitch muscle fibers. This builds some power and speed, essential components for increasing your vertical. Squat jumps, tuck jumps, box jumps, test jumps, broad jumps, attack jumps, split squat jumps. Finally, don't forget to strengthen your lower body. Focus on squats, deadlifts, lunges, Bulgarian split squats, glute bridges or hip thrusts, also hamstring curls. And that's it, guys. By this, you will have the improvement for your vertical jump, because it's not just about doing a few box jumps and hoping for the best. It takes consistent effort, smart programming, and attention to all parts of your body. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.